Salim bin Abdullah bin Umar said, O the inhabitants of Iraq, I ask you neither about minor sins nor about the perpetrators of major sins. I have heard my father Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu say that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, the stripes will emerge from here. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam pointed towards the east with his hand, wherefrom the two horns of the Satan will appear, and some of you will strike the necks of some others of you, kill them. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam killing a person of the people of Pharaoh was an unintentional killing. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon said to him, then we delivered you from sorrow and tested you well. Surah Taha verse 40. The report of Ahmad bin Umar does not mention the word Sami'atu, I heard. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7226.